2025, what a year it has been for me. It's been a calamity of ups and downs, ins and outs, regrets, concerns, and this is what I refer to as an average day or an average year in business life. Sometimes you get the rough, sometimes you get the smooth, and not everything in business is smooth. But I'm here today not to talk about business, but to talk about 2026. In 2026, I've got some major new plans on both my YouTube channel and my business life and how I am moving forward. So I am here today to wish you all the best over the Christmas season. I myself am going to take a break today. This is my last day of YouTube videos, and I'm not going to revisit YouTube until the new year, where I have new freelance staff joining me, a team who will be producing high quality productions from 2026 onwards. This will then release me to do what I have to do in 2026, including the investment of both my expansion to my property portfolio from 24 up to 34 properties, fingers crossed, making sure everything's right with the finance. And I'm moving forward with the online platform. I'm still keen to move away from the online business. No buyers yet, sadly. There's been people that have offered me to buy a portion of my company, but that's not what I want to do. Either I sell it as a whole, as a working environment, or I liquidate the business in an auction and pay off the debts and close down the online business, which I really do want to do now. It's come to a point in my life where I just really don't want to go on selling online because of the new regulations, the taxation system, staffing costs. It's just not viable as an entity or a running business. Online businesses are great for the future when it comes to people like just a sole trader, someone who's got maybe one or two staff and can afford to put out high yield, higher demand products for their customers. I myself, I think I'm banked into a corner because where I am, I'm located in Northern Ireland, and that's not the best place to be to do business on micro sales. Last year, they made a GPSR system and it has come to effect. And today, only today, I had 5 of my listings banned by eBay for not complying with EU regulations on the GPSR statement. They were taken offline and I can't sell them in Northern Ireland anymore. And that's because I am limited in Northern Ireland, located in Northern Ireland, so I can't sell to Northern Ireland. So as you can see, the online business for me it's done for me. I'm past it. I will continue running the business until I find a buyer or I decide to liquidate the company. My future will be the online platform. It will be the property portfolio, my construction services, and of course, the YouTube and TikTok and Instagram channels in which are growing so well. And I thank everybody for your support, including the haters. Without you guys, it would have been impossible to get 42,000 subscribers on YouTube and another 12,000 subscribers on TikTok and a further 5,000 subscribers on Instagram, which is indicative of how interested you are in how a businessman does their business. So next year is going to be a very exciting time for me. And I hope that it won't have the trials and tribulations with staff issues, with taxation and with government policy that has otherwise absolutely destroyed my online privileges of selling in a democratic or a open policied government controlled system. So I feel that my time has ended because the government has stopped this. Maybe for good reasons, maybe for not. They're not really that visionary when it comes to business. And I really am not going to keep trialing and to keep pushing. So all I have to say now to the end of this is thank you very much for watching my program. I'm going to do no more videos now until the new year. And once the new videos are coming up, it won't be done by me or edited by me. I will just be the person in front of the camera from now on. And that's good for me because that allows me to do my work. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for staying in touch. And please stay commenting.